Baking soda is not just a familiar kitchen ingredient, it's also a powerful health ally. Especially for older adults. In this video, we'll explore 13 scientifically backed health benefits of baking soda. From digestive support to skin soothing and pain relief. Don't miss out if you or your loved ones are looking for safe, simple, and effective home remedies. 1. Heartburn relief. Sodium bicarbonate, the main component of baking soda, acts as an antacid to neutralize hydrochloric acid in the stomach. According to the American Journal of Gastroenterology, a small dose, 1/2 teaspoon in 120 milliliters of water, can rapidly relieve acid reflux symptoms. Caution is needed for seniors with high blood pressure due to the sodium content. 2. Gout pain relief. Studies, including one published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology, 2018, suggest that sodium bicarbonate can help alkalize the blood and reduce uric acid crystallization in the joints, offering relief from flare-ups. 3. Gentle teeth whitening. A 2008 study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpaste containing baking soda was more effective at removing stains than regular toothpaste, while remaining safe for tooth enamel. 4. Mouth ulcer and canker sore soothing. The American Dental Association recommends a mild baking soda rinse, 1/2 teaspoon in warm water, to reduce inflammation and bacteria in the mouth. Especially helpful for seniors with recurrent sores. 5. Natural body odor control. According to the Journal of Chemical Education, baking soda neutralizes the acidic waste produced by odor-causing bacteria. Applied under the arms, it acts as a natural deodorant without the irritation common with alcohol or aluminum salts. 6. Dry skin and callus softening. Soaking feet in warm water with baking soda, 3 tablespoons in 2 liters, helps exfoliate dead skin and soften calluses, offering relief for seniors who often experience dry or thickened skin on their feet. 7. Bug bite itch relief. The CDC recommends a paste of baking soda and water, 3:1 ratio, on bug bites to calm itching and mild allergic reactions by neutralizing acidic compounds left by insect saliva. 8. Post-meal digestive support. A 2010 study in Digestive Diseases and Sciences suggests that mild alkalization of the stomach using sodium bicarbonate can support digestion and reduce bloating, especially after fatty or heavy meals. 9. Soothes sunburn and skin irritation. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, baking soda baths or compresses can calm inflamed skin, offering instant relief for sunburns, particularly beneficial for older adults with sensitive skin. 10. Mild toenail fungus remedy. Research published in Mycopathology, 2014, demonstrated antifungal effects of baking soda on common toenail fungi. Regular foot soaks may help control mild infections and reduce spread. 11. Cleaning dentures and medical tools. The ADA recommends baking soda for cleaning dentures due to its mild antibacterial properties and non-abrasive nature. Overnight soaking in a diluted solution helps remove plaque and odor without harming materials. 12. Balances body pH gently. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, 2009, found that sodium bicarbonate supplements improved kidney function and reduced metabolic acidosis in older adults. However, medical supervision is essential for long-term use. 13. Cleans produce before cooking. A 2017 University of Massachusetts study found that soaking apples in 1% baking soda solution removed over 80% of surface pesticide residues, making it a practical and safe method for seniors with reduced immunity. Important reminder: only take 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. Always dilute with at least 200 milliliters of water. Do not use continuously for more than 2 weeks unless medically advised. People with heart disease, high blood pressure, kidney issues, or those taking diuretics must consult a doctor before using. Safety comes first. Use baking soda properly to enjoy the benefits without risking your health. You might not expect such a simple white powder to offer so many health benefits, but baking soda has proven its value time and again. Still, natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Seniors, in particular, should use it thoughtfully, especially if they have chronic health conditions like high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart issues. Think of baking soda as a supportive tool, not a cure-all. If you'd like to see more natural remedies or health tips for older adults, feel free to leave a comment below. Wishing you and your family wellness, peace, and joy every single day. See you in the next video. Bye.